most of the things said today are pretty much along the lines of what I wanted to say. You know, we want Dara to be remembered, not for, you know, this thing that happened, and, you know, I'm not going to talk about that. Obviously, there's an investigation going on. But Dara wasn't, as Harry said, Dara was not a victim. You know, Dara was a strong and intelligent woman, and she always, I mean, like, as your younger brother, I can only give my impression of her. That's the most authentic thing I can do, and she opened my world up in ways that, you know, other people, you know, without her, you know, I don't know where I would have been. But she didn't just do that with me. It's like she led by example in a lot of ways. She wasn't afraid, and she wasn't a victim. She, you know, in January 2015, Dara decided she wanted to make a change in society. She wasn't happy with a lot of the things that she saw and the way people were being treated, and, you know, it's been touched on a lot. The most vulnerable in society particularly upset her. And so she said, as a New Year's resolution, I'm going to be a writer and I'm going to make a change. And in January 2016, she was writing for the Dublin Inquirer, and, you know, that's the kind of Dara that I want to remember, and I think that's the kind of Dara that should be remembered.
Indeed.
So, you know, I'm not a politician. I don't have much more to say, but what was said by Carol earlier about the dual diagnosis in this country, I mean, having had personal experience with it, I'm sure probably a lot of people here have as well. I mean, it's crazy to expect a person to just basically treat themselves before they'll be treated. If somebody is addicted, they have to get clean themselves, and it's not like that in every country. There are other countries. I mean, my wife is from Russia, and in Russia, you go in and they take you and they detox you and they help you from there. And the Czech Republic, I know, is the same. As far as I know, Portugal, Holland, Poland, you know, it's not like this is some crazy, bloody radical idea. You know, it's done in other places, and it could be done here. So, look, I don't want to talk too much, but that's it. I want Dara to be remembered for the positive things, and I want us to try to use this, the outrage and the anger and pain that everybody feels, for some kind of, you know, positive change, because it is possible. So, thank you all.